Inside every craft kit, no matter which character you buy, you'll have the black acrylic gloss cut out, and on the back of every one of these I've already put the 3M tape, so it's just peel off the tape and then it will stick to this backboard, which also comes in the craft kits. I want to run you through everything. Once you peel it off the back, you will stick that to your plywood board. That sticks for good. This 3M tape, it's a very expensive type of tape, but it works like a glue. So it's just peel it off the back. Brilliant for kids and adults. In every kit, I will give you every cutout shape, your eyes, legs, every bit. The mirror, they look fantastic. Now, you don't have to worry about when you see all these pieces, because every piece, it's not like a jigsaw puzzle. Every piece has its own place to go, and all the pieces also have 3M self-adhesive backing, so it's just peel them off, find which shape they slot into and stick them down. They're so easy and simple because I've got everything cut out, and you will have your red, your blue, your black acrylic, your backboard. And why should I have all the fun putting them all together when there are people out there who love doing this sort of thing, and kids too? I think it's a great holiday project because they come up looking stunning, and the kids feel they've made them themselves, whether they feel they've made them from scratch or not. They're just an amazing product. I think in school holidays I'd probably buy a heap for the kids to do. And there are more characters coming available, so just keep watch, or hit me up if there's a product, a category, characters you like that I haven't put out yet. I still can. I've got hundreds coming. It's just, I like to know what you all want. The Spider-Man has been so popular, that's why I've decided to offer it as a craft kit. And as you can see, just showing you the shape here, they only fit in one place, so you can't get mixed up like a jigsaw puzzle. You don't have 100 pieces all the same shapes. They will only fit in one spot, so just peel the back off and stick them in, and at the end you just have this gorgeous looking mirror. All your mirrors cut out in red, and or whatever character, depending on the character you choose. With the Spider-Man, it has been so popular, I cannot keep up to orders, and that is why I'm offering them now as a craft kit that you can put together yourself. And this is how great they end up looking. At the end, you even have the fun of peeling all your little plastics off all your pieces, and as it reveals itself to you, you just get more excited until you see the end stunning result. And I think most kids would love to see themselves make one of these. I have a ball making them, so why should I have all the fun? I think they're great fun. So if you're into your crafts, hit me up and I'll whip you up some templates and post them out to you. So I am really stoked with how Spider Baby came up. Thanks for watching.